Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install this mod as requested by a viewer. So this looks like an interesting mod and it's gotten quite a few downloads. So let's install it. First thing that you have to do is install Open4 as usual. I have a video on how to install Open4 which you can check out in the cards of this video. And for this video you don't actually have to have Simple Trainer installed. So you can go ahead and download the mod after you install Open4. And then, actually, I want to keep that window open. So let's just keep that window open. Anyways, next you want to open up your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory. To do this, you can go into Steam, Library, Games, right click on Grand Theft Auto 5, click on Properties, Local Files, browse local files, and this is your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory. And wherever your GTA 5 file is, that's your GTA 5 main directory. So you can also do a search in this PC. Just search up GTA 5. Now this will take a while. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with that, but you get the point. So yeah, the main directory, where is it? It's here. Yeah, it's wherever your GTA 5 file is. You should have a mods folder if you followed my Open4 installation guide, and you want to copy x64V into your mods folder, which I have already done to save some time. So now you want to open up Open4 as well as the mod, which should be in your downloads folder. So let's go into the downloads folder. It is right here. Okay, now let's open up Open4. You want to click on Windows. Okay, so now I have the two windows open, Open4 and the mod window. And the first thing that you have to do is enable edit mode. Yes. Then you want to go into mods, x64V, models, CD images, and just keep this window open. Now there are two different types of textures. There is the face tattoos and the normal tattoos. Now Franklin doesn't have face tattoos, he just has normal tattoos, so keep that in mind. Now first we will install the normal tattoos. So let's go into this folder, overlay txds, and then you want to go into each of these folders and choose and select all of the normal tattoos. So you're going to Franklin version 2. You can choose version 1, but I think there's a small difference. I think like the sleeves, and maybe it's more HD, so I'm just going to choose version 2, but you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. So next you just want to drag this into here, and you should find the size changes. Oh, actually it didn't, because I already have it installed. Anyways, so let's go back. Next, Michael, normal tattoos version 2. Just select all of these, drag them into here, and back. Trevor, normal tattoos. Okay, just drag these all into here, and there we go. So that's all of the normal tattoos installed. Next, you want to go into CD images, and then into streamed peds underscore players. Now here you'll find a few folders. I believe Trevor is player 0. Let's just double check. Okay, it doesn't show it here. Let's just check in the readme. Trevor is player 2. Okay, so Trevor is player 2, so we go into this folder, and then you go into Trevor's folder here, face tattoos, and you just drag this into here. There's only one. So then you go back, and Michael is player 0, and then you go into face tattoos. Okay, let's go into full set and just drag this into here, and that's basically it. So you have the mod installed. make sure you have the order right, player 0 and player 2. Make sure you install the right faces into the right folders, and that's basically it. So I'll start up GTA 5 and we'll see how this looks. Okay everyone, so first of all, this is my GTX 1050 right now because I may be selling my GTX 980 today, and as you can tell, it's not doing too bad. I mean, it's more or less like the 980's performance. That's because of the i3. Of course, if I didn't have an i3 and if I had something like an i7, then the performance difference would be very large. Anyways, with that out of the way, I've played around with this mod for a little while, and it's a little bit strange. I'm not too sure exactly how to use it, so keep that in mind. The face masks don't seem to work for me, and I'll just show you what I've found. So yeah, if you know how to use this mod, then of course maybe you will be able to find out how to use the face masks, the face tattoos. So if we go over here and press enter, there are quite a few tattoos to choose from. I'm not too sure which ones come with the mod. Not exactly yet. I think this one might be one of them. That's not one. No. 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 Okay, so I think it is this one. But I'm not too sure. Now, for the head, we have this, which is on the neck. But that's all. There is no face tattoo for some reason. And let's take a look at the arm tattoos. Okay, so that's not quite it, but this is one of them. This is one of the modded tattoos, as well as this one. So let's just put these on. There we go. Right arm. There's another one. And there's another one. And you can actually change them, but I'll keep it as this. Now let's check out the left leg. We have this tattoo. And for the right leg, we have just this, but this doesn't look like a full body type, like modded tattoo. So that's basically it. That's all I could find. Now if I would actually go into the simple trainer menu, you would find a similar thing. You can just go into model spawning, clothes menu, and then you go down to tattoo, hair, and t-shirt overlays. So it's the same thing, so I'm pretty sure you get the point. If you want to remove all of the tattoos and everything, you just press reset ped to default. So let's just do that. Okay, that didn't want to work for some reason. Let's just check. I'm pretty sure I tried this just now and it worked. Okay, wait. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. His tattoos are gone. So, there you have it. Let's try that again. Let's see if it works. Reset. There we go. Yep, so it works. So that's quite strange. I mean, I've installed the mod correctly twice, off camera once and once on camera. So not too sure why the face mask, face tattoo doesn't show up or anything. Maybe you can find it in the masks, like shop something, yeah, store. But I don't know. I don't have much experience with this, but all I know for a fact is that I installed the mod correctly. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So it's quite interesting to see how my GTX 1050 is running. This is a pretty interesting test for this graphics card, and it's not doing very bad at all. It's quite nice. It's fine. And I have the game on ultra settings, of course, at the highest resolution I can, have it at. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.